Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you super simple trick to automatically fill weekdays in Excel, skipping weekends. This tip will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. Now enter your start date, select the cell and then click on fill, select series and in series select column, date and weekday. For the stop value mention the date. Click on OK. And there you have it. Excel fills the cells with weekdays only, skipping Saturdays and Sunday. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.